Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat. In Social Study class, grade 2, I am your teacher Miss Lugna. Student, we are doing lesson number 18, Animals Around Us. In this lesson, we learned about different types of animals. Before start doing the today's work, recap of the lesson. Lesson number 18, Animals Around Us. In this lesson, first type of animal is wild animals. These animals live in the jungle. They are shy and sometimes frightened of humans. Some are dangerous like lion, tiger, snake, etc. Number 2 is tame animals. Some animals are not dangerous. They can be trained to work. We call these tame animals like horses, ponies, elephant, camel, donkeys. Third type of animals is farm animals. These animals kept in farms. For example, buffaloes, cows, goats, sheep. These animals are very useful for us because we get the milk and meat from buffaloes, cows, goats, and also we get the wool from the sheep. Now you can see here the different types of animals. This is the wild animals picture, and next is the different animals pictures like farm animals and also tame animals. Before start doing the work, everyone write the date, day and CW. Today date is February 7, 2021. Day is Sunday. Write the lesson name, lesson number 18, Animals Around Us. Today again we have done A, B and C question answer. Now today we are doing question number 2. Answer these questions. D question, why should we be kind to animals? Everyone read with me. We should be kind to animals because they are living creatures. Read again with me. We should be kind to animals because they are living creatures. E is name any 5 farm animals. Anybody tell me farm animals name? Yes. Number 1 is cows. Number 2 is horses. Number 3 is bulls. Number 4 is sheep. And number 5 is goats. Now everyone do this work in your notebook in good handwriting and also learn it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.